Crash Course on Greece. Cultural Festivals and Traditions. Welcome to a crash course on Greece's vibrant cultural festivals, traditions, and celebrations. Get ready to immerse yourself in the rich tapestry of Greek culture and be captivated by interesting stories and examples that will ignite your excitement. Let's dive in. 1. Easter. Easter is one of the most significant and widely celebrated festivals in Greece. The streets come alive with processions, church services, and the symbolic burning of Judas effigies. The midnight resurrection ceremony is a highlight, with locals lighting candles and sharing the traditional greeting, Christos Anesti, Christ is risen. 2. Panathenaic Festival. Held in Athens, the Panathenaic Festival pays homage to the goddess Athena, the city's patron deity. The highlight is the Great Panathenaia, a grand procession that leads to the Acropolis, accompanied by music, dancing, and athletic competitions. 3. Carnival. Greece's carnival season is a time of colorful parades, costumes, and lively celebrations. Patras, in particular, hosts one of the biggest carnival events in Europe, featuring floats, masquerade parties, and traditional music. 4. Oxy Day. Celebrated on October 28, Oxy Day commemorates Greece's refusal to surrender to the Axis powers during World War II. It is marked with military parades, flag-waving, and patriotic events across the country. 5. Dance and music festivals. Greece is renowned for its rich traditional dance and music culture. Various festivals, such as the Athens Epidaurus Festival and the Festival of the Aegean in Syros, showcase Greek music, dance performances, and theatrical productions. 6. Name Days. Name days hold great importance in Greek tradition. Each day of the year is associated with a particular saint, and people named after that saint celebrate their name day with family and friends, exchanging wishes and enjoying festive gatherings. 7. Olive Harvest Festivals. Greece is famous for its olive oil production, and many regions hold olive harvest festivals to celebrate the annual harvest. Visitors can participate in olive picking, learn about olive oil production, and indulge in traditional Greek cuisine. 8. Wine festivals. With a long history of winemaking, Greece hosts numerous wine festivals throughout the year. These festivals offer a chance to taste a variety of Greek wines, learn about local viticulture, and experience traditional music and dance. 9. Epiphany. On January 6, the Feast of Epiphany, a significant religious event, takes place across Greece. The highlight is the Blessing of the Waters ceremony, where priests throw a cross into the sea or a river, and brave swimmers compete to retrieve it for good luck. 10. Lefkas International Folklore Festival. This annual festival showcases traditional music, dance, and costumes from Greece and around the world. Performers gather in the picturesque town of Lefkada to share their cultural heritage through captivating performances. 11. Cheese and Wine Festivals. Various regions in Greece celebrate their unique cheese and wine traditions with dedicated festivals. Visitors can sample a wide range of cheeses, paired with local wines, and learn about the traditional methods of production. 12. Athens and Epidaurus Festival. The Athens and Epidaurus Festival is a renowned cultural event featuring a diverse program of music, theater, and dance performances. It takes place in ancient theaters, including the Odeon of Herodes Atticus in Athens and the ancient theater of Epidaurus. In summary, Greece is a cultural playground, offering a myriad of festivals and traditions that bring its rich heritage to life. From Easter processions to lively dance festivals and harvest celebrations, each event is an opportunity to immerse yourself in Greek culture and create lasting memories. And now, let's rejoice in a poem that celebrates Greece's vibrant festivals and traditions. In Greece, where ancient stories dwell, a tapestry of festivals weaves its spell. Easter's resurrection, joyous and grand, with flames that light the sacred land. Panathenaic Festival, a tribute to Athena's might. Processions and games, a magnificent sight. Carnival's masks, colors, and cheer. Music and dance that fill the air. Oxy Day's pride, a nation's stand. Honoring heroes, a united band. Dance and music festivals, voices rise. Celebrating heritage under Grecian skies. Name days cherished, traditions kept. Family and friends, heartfelt wishes swept. Olive harvest festivals, nature's bounty embrace. Tasting the nectar, savoring the grace. Wine flowing freely, cheers resound. Toasting traditions, in vineyards found. Epiphany's waters, blessed and pure. Swimmers chase the cross, hopes endure. Lefkas Folklore Festival, a global embrace. Cultural tapestries interlace. Cheese and wine celebrations, flavors divine. Greece's gastronomic treasures, a heavenly sign. Athens and Epidaurus, stages ablaze. The arts come alive in ancient ways. Greece's festivals illuminate the soul. From ancient rituals to stories untold. So, immerse yourself in Greece's cultural embrace, where traditions thrive in every place. Celebrate, dance, and let your spirit soar in this land of festivals, forevermore. *****, start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.